Welcome back, Awakened Boss Ladies. We've got a lot to cover today, so we're going to get right into it. If you've been following along the past two episodes, you know we've been talking about planting the right seeds to sprout success and satisfaction. In our last episode, we focused on clearing out distractions, getting clarity, and making space for what truly aligns with our vision. Today, we're diving into the big vision, how to dream beyond limits, how to dream the dream that is most important for you, how to turn that dream into reality with a step-by-step spring action plan that carries you through the next 90 days. It's going to be pretty tangible. If you've ever set a goal that felt too big, too overwhelming, or just left you stuck in the how, this is for you. Let's break it down into a roadmap you can actually follow. So, step one is defy the limits. Before you get tactical, let's zoom in. Your highest vision isn't just about success. It's about success with deep fulfillment. You may have already done some of this work in the past two episodes, but if you're just tuning in, here are a few questions you can ask yourself to quickly get to the heart of your highest desire and vision. Question number one. If I allowed myself to dream without restriction, what would my ideal life look like? And what are all the pieces it would contain? Question number two, what does fulfillment feel like in all the areas of my life as a holistic being, in personal growth, relationships, career, health, all of it? And lastly, what could you be doing on a daily basis that feels deeply aligned? Take a moment to write this down. If you haven't yet, or if anything has shifted since the last time we did this exercise, write your big, expansive vision. Don't shrink it, don't filter it, don't go into the how, just flow. Now, step number two is to define your 90-day focus. Now let's break that dream into something you can take action on. This is where we take your vision and give it structure. Understand that the art of taking your vision and giving it structure is the harmonious blend between your feminine and your masculine intelligence. We are asking you to take your feminine intelligence, that vision, that ability to create and to bring life into creation, and give it structure. Structure is the masculine, the ability to hold that vision and to bring that vision to flourishing, right? These two things together get to exist together. And here's where we're asking you to defy your limits and take your vision, your feminine intelligence, and give it structure. So we're going to be talking about how to do that. So ask yourself, what's one key area I want to focus on this season? And then pick one. For example, this could be your corporate career, starting or growing a business, improving your relationships, prioritizing your health, or clearing up your personal finances. Pick one to focus on. What specific outcome would make you feel aligned with your vision in the next 90 days? For example, if your big dream is to start your own business, make your focus launching your offer first. If your dream is more balancing your lifestyle, maybe your focus is setting stronger boundaries on restructuring your daily schedule. If financial success is a priority, maybe it's creating a plan to increase your income by 10 or 20%. Choose one clear, powerful focus that you can take into priority. This ability to select one area in which you focus on now becomes the container, the masculine intelligence with which you form your vision, with which you journey an action plan and roadmap through your vision. This is a powerful approach towards reaching your desires without having to shrink them, diminish them. This is a powerful approach for you to hold on to the vision while you're building the journey towards it. So now that we've done structure, right, we're going to move into the next step. Step 3 is to design personalized milestones. Once you have your 90-day focus, we're going to reverse engineer it into monthly benchmarks. The key here, though, is that you have the milestones that work for you. Don't base this on what you think it should be or what other people are doing or what has worked for someone else. How will you know you're succeeding? Break it down like this. Month 1, create the foundation and the preparation. What groundwork needs to be laid? What knowledge, resources, or habits do you need to put in place? What obstacles need to be removed? The groundwork, the foundation. Month 2, taking bold action. What key actions will need you to move the needle? What are the constraints? What needs to be developed? What is the measurable progress that may be happening? Month 3, refinement and expansion. How do you tune into what's working? What next steps will sustain and scale your progress? How do you celebrate and reflect on your growth? Here's an example of how it works in real life. If your goal is to launch your first coaching program, in month 1, you define your offer, validate it. You build a space where you can hold a waiting list. On month 2, you begin the marketing, engaging with your audience. And on month 3, you officially launch it, imperfect action. And you look at what feedback you receive so that then you can refine your offer. Can you see how this gives you clarity and the empowerment on exactly what to do next? Now, go ahead and pause this and complete this exercise. There's no time like right now to take action. When you're ready, move on to step 4, where we will create a weekly action plan. Your monthly milestones give you the big picture. But weekly action steps are where real momentum happens. Choose a day of the week that works as a reset day for you to personally, I love Sundays for this, so that you can use this to find your way. For example, each Sunday or whatever day you choose, ask yourself, what's one small action I can take this week that moves me toward my milestone? How will I hold myself accountable to this action? What potential distractions do I need to prepare for? And what time of day is best for my action? This is where structure meets flow. You get to focus on your goal while allowing for inspiration and adjustment. So let's go into step 5. This final step is about delegating for support and accountability. No vision is built alone. The most successful, fulfilled person has a support system, mentors, masterminds, coaches, and communities that uplift them. Ask yourself, who can support me in staying on track? What resources or people do I need to learn from? What tools can I incorporate? How can I stay accountable while also being kind to myself? If you're ready to take this even deeper, I invite you to join my community of awakened boss ladies, where we hold space for each other's biggest dreams and keep each other accountable in real time. Check out all the details about my Success Circle membership. I'm going to include the link in the notes, and you're going to see how it is an opportunity to join us right now for just $30 a month. Remember, dreaming bigger isn't just about thinking big. It's about believing you are worthy. It's about fostering the mindset that supports the dream, and it's about aligning your actions with the life you truly desire. When you can master this, your wildest dreams become what you attract. You matter. The world needs you, and your vision is your valid birthright. With the right plan, this season can be the start of something beautiful, powerful, and world-changing. I'd love to hear what your spring priority is. Drop it in the comments. Let's make this a dialogue. I'd love to hear how we can also support you, and let's create momentum together. If this episode resonates with you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this with another awakened boss lady who needs to hear this. So until next time, keep dreaming, keep growing, and keep leading with love.